In this video, I'm going to show you how and when to drain an air compressor. Hello and welcome to another TopBuild Carpentry's tool video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to drain an air compressor and how often you should be doing it. So first things first, we're going to turn the power off. So the power's turned off now. So underneath on the back end, you'll find a drain valve. And in the center of the drain valve, we want to be turning it, undoing it slightly until you start to hear the air come out. Now we should be doing this every couple of days, maybe every day. If you've got a busy workshop like us, even after say 3 or 4 days, we notice quite a lot of water does come out still. So I think every day, we check them every like 1 to 2 days, depending on how much we're using our machines. But because the condensation will build up inside, it will get into the airline and it will ruin the machines. So it is important to be doing this like maximum every week, but every couple of days if you've got time and you remember. So I'm going to go ahead now and I'm going to release the screw underneath and show you how it drains. So this is one of our compressors that's located upstairs in our spray room. It's the same principle. You've got a nut on the bottom and you'll just release it, get rid of all the water that needs to drain out. Make sure it's turned off when you do so and tighten it back up. So that's how to empty an air compressor. Do come back, do subscribe. We're doing lots of workshop videos, lots of videos on tool reviews, videos on our woodwork, how we make things. If you want to see any of our work, head over to Instagram at TopBuild Carpentry. Thanks for watching.